Yeah. Oh, we're recording. So we almost just sunk in the Pacific Ocean. Look how close that is.
And we attempted a landing but failed. Shit, back up we go. We failed at that, so now we're getting a longer trip. We're going around in another circle to try and land again. The Fijians are probably like, what is happening?
We fail.
So if we look around, we're going to attempt another landing. Pressure's on.
Okay, watch him. Pull.
This way.
Ah, boat!
Oh jeez.
Pull! Ah! Keep pulling!
I can't pull any longer.
Pull! Okay.